So first time using the Flashforge Creator 3, I'm gonna run through leveling. Let's see how it goes. So it says homing, please wait. So I guess the home position is all the way down where the two extruders are off to the side. After that you get to select your extruder. So I'm gonna go left extruder. Make sure the nozzles are clean. Ooh, step by step. So nozzle on the left is clean. As you can see, what I've done here is I've actually loaded materials also, and I'm gonna run my first print after leveling. So I guess it goes all the way up. Ooh, it moves really slowly. You seem to have the knobs below here for you to adjust. Oh, it's moving. Verifying the distance between nozzle and plate. Okay, verifying. Press OK to next point. Okay, press OK. Then it goes to next point. So it's only doing this with the left extruder. Turn the nut clockwise 90 degrees. Oh, so relatively easy. You can see, okay, 90 degrees means this, from this red, turn all the way to the other red. Now click verify. Oh, press the OK button. Well, let's see how accurate this leveling is on the first try. Congratulations! Ooh, that's easy. So this was straight out the box. We didn't do anything. That's it. Your leveling is complete. So now, finish.